Inventing successful workspaces is an art in itself, one you can get paid for, by the way. But instead of paying someone to make a workspace for you, let's make a workspace that gets you paid. Welcome to 9 years of research, trial and error to optimize the perfect digital art setup.
Make some merchandise your audience can purchase by signing up for Printful. You can POD your marketplace. So much to customize. Focus on your designs. Go with your fluid intuition, knowing you the one that owns it. You can do it over and over and over. And when you make it big, don't forget the one I told you. Printful. Check the description. You can find the link to the future of your t-shirt business.
The tools you really need as an artist don't exist yet. They're waiting on you to be the one to invent them. So let's create a workspace for inventing inventions. Observation fuels imagination. My friends, welcome to the observatory. Here I get creative with my digital dynamic sketching arm. We can break down shape design into 3 things: function, what does it do? Proportion, how does it do? And language, the aesthetics. The observatory functions as a multi-axis sit-stand digital art workstation, mainly for dynamic sketching only, using the Artist 24 Pro from XP Pen with an X paper friction surface for a traditional feel when drawing, and also thick bezels for resting your hands in between large, bold, confident brushstrokes. Function number 2 is mobility, the sit-stand multi-axis feature of this setup. Handling all of that is our heavy-duty wall-mounted monitor arm for drawing tablets. This is the HAT ED7500HY. The listing for this product actually came up as a result of my collaboration with Ergonomics, so super happy about that. Now you can buy this product for yourself on their website. This monitor arm is the strongest and most stable one I've ever used. To be able to hold a drawing tablet this still while drawing at every point is amazing. I love this arm because it has tension controls for each degree of freedom. Basically the different ways it can move. You can tighten or loosen them. You can also mount this on your desk, but I find that eliminating the desk entirely allows me to get my drawing tablet low enough to a comfortable drawing position. Function number 3 is the digital end. We need some power to drive the observatory, so we have the wall-mounted Geekom AE7 mini PC. Packing the powerful Ryzen 9 7940HS, there's virtually no digital art task this little guy can't handle. Our second stop in the map of shape design is proportion. And when it comes to living space, our proportions are the ergonomics. We want to buy equipment that fits us and pose it in a way that is comfortable for our biomechanics. One thing I've learned over the years is that the healthy choice is not the obvious choice. It's very valuable to consult a professional posture therapist. There's one on YouTube. His name is Oliver Girard. He has a great video on how to draw using a tablet. So I'll link it right here. Here are basically the cliff notes. Make sure your back is supported and in a healthy shape. Next, offset your tablet towards your dominant arm. So I'm a righty, so I can push my tablet to the right. We're going to tilt the yaw towards the left to prevent spinal twisting when making straight horizontal lines. You can tilt your tablet between 20 to 45 degrees. Make sure it's low enough so your elbow is not climbing the edge of your tablet to reach it, so it can hold your hand as you're making sweeping strokes. I'm not a doctor in any stretch of the imagination, neither is this medical advice. Just a note, this is why many artists and animators actually use the drawing tablet without a screen, because a comfortable position for your hands is not a comfortable position for your eyes, therefore your neck. There's always going to be some sort of compromise, so keep in mind that the cheaper, less fancy pen tablet might be the most comfortable choice in the long run. Last destination in shape design is shape language. What are the shapes in this setup communicating to our brain? Well, it seems like pretty much everything here is some variation of a rounded cube. So cubes represent stability. Think of the laws of physics, very sturdy objects, but they're rounded at the edges, so they're safe to touch and user-friendly. This gentle geometric setup communicates to the user that their equipment is strong, reliable, and safe to use. There's still a lot to work on this setup. 9 years in, and I've learned a lot, but there's so much more knowledge that I need. Gather ever, seek for more.